sometimes the sneezes come without warning. Achoo! Achoo! But, can they be avoided? Well, not always. But we can prepare our nose as if it were a little house protected from the wind. First, if there are flowers nearby and your nose is tickled, move a little bit away. There's no need to get angry with spring. Second, if you are in a dusty place, hold your nose with a handkerchief, or ask for help to clean up. Dust is like an army of tiny bugs that tickle you from the inside. Third, if you go out in winter and it's cold as a penguin on a scooter, wear a scarf. The frosty air gets in and makes your nose hairs dance. And that makes you crazy to sneeze.